Big up everybody we check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now Fantan Moa ball out. You must say same so them set up Ninja Man and send him go to prison for murder. They must say a Fantan Moa orchestrator mastermind the murder of Jamaica's son. How it take place on TikTok live. I'm going to hear from Fanton Moa and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Yes, this is Fanton Moa. Bless up to Jamaica and the whole world. Yeah, condolence to Jamaican son, you know. It's what I say. But you see the blogger them where I try to mix me. Please, man, no stop it, man. Remember, Fantan is a youth where equal rights and justice we deal with God from ever since, from them time until now. And we never hear we name mixing and no pass or certain things. So I don't know why I'm gonna go try them things then now. Come on, man, let's live in unity and peace, man. Yeah, certain things we no condole in a God and we no condole certain things. You see me I say? Up full we are deal with God. Up full, up full. You see me I say? So bless up to all of my fans them. As me I tell you say, the blogger them we are run with that. Cease and desist, Papa. Cause it will cost lawsuit, you know. You see me I say? Sympathy it will cost lawsuit. Yeah. And me take drastic action with law with it. So easy, you know, cease and desist, man. Don't do them something they got. You see me I say, Jamaica my brother. So even if me have a long time argument for them long time until now, we are brother. Bless up Capleton, because I'm done, fix it and settle it. Jamaica, my brother. Some people also try to mix me and Mason in a foolishness. Mason, my brother. Now think for hurt my brother, now think for hurting you, them not hurt nobody around me. You will never hear of me in these past or these things. So, cease and desist, Papa.
Now, Fantan Moa said him rise early this morning, don't know nothing about nothing. And then him see this. The media say him have some involvement with Wagwan. Jamaican being another reggae icon too. Fantan Moa being somebody where people love and respect in the music. Have some controversy, yes. But we never hear him name called on them type of thing. Obviously, Fantan Moa take this very, very serious, as he should. See the Ninja Man, they behind the bars, I say, in the all the way a man devil. Yet still, they have him serve a life sentence right now. So Fantan Moa speak out. Now, I'm going to hear an alleged Voicenote from an alleged prisoner. And they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Serious message from Vybz Kartel prison inmate. Where is the Clarks? You promised us.
Me I tell you, I want to inmate this way left and listen to my youth. Me I tell you, brother. You tell man a bag of things when this so you come out in my youth, you make man get some clocks and anything, brother. And me I tell you, right now, me see a shillong in whole world, brother. Not even remember man that this my youth. Boy, Kartel, you trick with my youth. Me I tell you, Kartel, man, respect you this still long, you know. Me I tell you, my youth, me can't believe, brother. Right now, Kartel, you make a beer cheers me a ball if you know, so you tell me, say, when you come back on the street, you make some clocks, reach, brother, me see you sell much show, and go on phone and left him and there, dog. Brother, me I tell you, brother, me don't know what if you do again Vybz Kartel, me not trust no man. Me I tell you, Kartel, me can't believe. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel, for you buy the house for type and lose weight. I'm out.
Now you tell me. People can really seek the fame them way. Clocks. You don't believe, say? It's just somebody from behind the bars. Or this is just somebody else from the media where seek some clout and attention off of Vybz Kartel name. Comment in the comment section if you feel like really some inmate this. Or feel disgruntled, feel sad, feel like say yo, promises were made to him and other inmates and the teacher, you know, fulfilling. Keep in mind, from teacher forward back, you know what the teacher do? Work. Talk the truth. From teacher forward back, you know, my see these private jet trips, and maybe someone will feel like the stage show them are just fun to see me. Seeing that, you know, it look exciting. And for those in attendance, it was very exciting. But keep in mind, for Vybz Kartel at work, from him forward back, he must have put in the work. It's like he missed the work aspect of music. And of course, the millions we are forward in, you know, a good incentive. But him been a put in the work. Here, there, and everywhere. Right now, teacher like him booked for the next 2 years. Because the amount of dates. And we talk about the Caribbean and North America. Don't know a long time ago North America. But we don't even fully talk about the European side and the Canadian side all now. You have some whole heap of places in Canada. You have some whole heap of places in Europe. You don't even go all Caribbean island yet. Right now, teacher book for the next couple of years, it look like. Maybe some of them people who are found out where as a teacher promised them this and promised them that. Maybe them for just go and wait. Because right now, if I one thing for sure, the teacher busy. I only look like him on vacation. But right at the time, the country them where you see him on vacation, you see him on the hotel them and them thing there, he have a show. In the very same country there. And they are organized for have a show. In the very same country we see him. So yeah, while him can they are relax. Also business. The Master Cartel, one of the hardest working man in the dancehall right now. That's how many people I say. Tell me if you agree. Because since being released, we can say, yo, teacher definitely miss the music or the working aspect of the music. Not just for do the interview them and people ask, say, man, you're the king and you're the best you have ever heard. And no, him still want to go up on the stage, perform for the fans, record new music, release new music, still, you know, make him career more international. Okay, you know, for many years, people that always say, yo, if teacher just have a visa and can go North America, it may not even be more popular. And given the opportunity now, all we can say is clearly he make use of it. We can clearly say he make use of the opportunity given to him. And the fans them seem to be happy. Tell me which country or which state or city you want to see Vybz Kartel next. You know the thing right now, as I say, it look like a teacher book for the next couple of years. Just to the amount of place you want to see him right now. Him never talk about Africa yet. You know? We not talk about Africa all no. You all know not talk about Africa. You know the music scene in Africa right now. Some of the biggest stars in the music are forward from Africa right now. Arena, stadium settings that we know. Yeah, man, some arena and some stadium settings when Vybz Kartel perform in Africa. So tell me a few places we are look forward to see Vybz Kartel perform. Tell me a feel about Fanton Moa say about the whole settings. Jamaica's son, of course, condolences to the family. I don't know why they call Fanton Moa name. I know I really go on for, you know? But Fanton Moa found out and speak about it from now. So that people no misconstrued or people no wonder, oh, him not found out, come say nothing. Clearly, him see it in the media just like everybody else. So him take to the media, tell the theme side, and address the whole something. So like him get a whole heap of call from, you know, people make them talk there. So clearly, And certain people start calling about it, they must say, well, wait. Or what that? And decide to go up on the media, talk about it. Now, of course, if you're new to the channel, so pass through. You click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, and if you want to stay tuned. As I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe.